Welcome to Math with Mr. T. In this video, I'll be going over converting fractions to decimals. And it's not too tricky, so come on with me. 3 over 4 is actually 3/4, which is actually 3 divided by 4. Now that's a fun thing to know, is that a fraction is really just an undone division problem. That's why the division sign, this might blow your brain, the division sign looks like a fraction. So, in order to turn a fraction into a decimal, all we need to do is finish the problem, and in this case, divide 3 by 4. I have to add a decimal and a 0, and 4 goes into 30 7 times. I have a 2 left over, and I'm going to bring down another 0, and now 4 goes into 20 5 times. So 3/4 as a decimal is 75 hundredths, or 0.75. All right, 7 tenths. 7 tenths, we do the same thing. We are going to take 7 and divide it by 10. So let's do that one right over here. 7 divided by 10. 10 does not go into 7, so I'm going to put a decimal down. 10 goes into 7D 7 times. Don't forget to always bring this decimal up when you're dividing. So 7 tenths as a fraction is 7 tenths as a decimal. 3 over 8, or 3/8, I'm going to be dividing 3 by 8. Once again, 8 does not go into 3, so I need to put a decimal and bring a 0 down. 8 does go into 30. It goes in 3 times. Don't forget about this decimal. 3 times 8 is 24. And 30 minus 24 is 6. I'm going to need to bring down another 0, and so now I have 60. 8 goes into 60 7 times. 7 times 8 is 56. And I'm going to be left with a 4. I need to bring down another 0 all the way down from up there, if you like drawing these lines out. 8 goes into 40 5 times. Perfect. 3 over 8, or 3/8, as a decimal is 0.375, or 375 thousandths. 11 over 20. You know what to do now. We're going to divide 11 by 20. 20 does not go into 11, so I'm going to put a decimal in there, put it up top, and now I know that 20 goes into 110 5 times. 5 times 20 is 100. And I have 10 left over. I'll put another 0 up here to bring down. Now, how many times does 20 go into 100? That would be 5. 5 times 20 is 100. And 11 over 20 is 55 hundredths, or 0.55. 2/5. Same plan as before. Are you doing it with me in your head? 5 does not go into 2, but 5 does go into 20 4 times. And that one is a quick one. The answer is 0.4, or 4 tenths. And last but not least, something very interesting happens here, because you're going to find out about a repeating decimal. So for this one, we are going to divide 2 by 3. As all of these, it's not going to work right away, so we need to put in a decimal point. We need to put in a 0. And 3 goes into 20 6 times. That gets us 18. And that seems weird. I'm back at 2. All right, let's see what happens. Wait a second, this looks familiar. It looks familiar because I am stuck in an infinite loop. And I'm going to continue to get 18. 20 minus 18 is 2. 20 minus 18 is 2. So what we have here is 0.6 repeating, 0.666666 forever. And the way you write that is 0.6 repeating with a line over the top. Thanks for watching. And please like and comment if this video is helpful to you. And don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next time.